Hello, my name is Greg. Today is gonna be talk about slimes with my daughter Susan. Susan is gonna be explaining you everything about slimes. Thank you so much. Let's do it.
So this slime, it's a normal slime. It has a blue colour. It's a normal slime. You can stretch it. It's just a normal slime. If you can't take the slime out, you just take a pen. You just do a dot, and then you just do this, and then you just take it out. It's a normal slime. It stretches. It's very hard when you start with it, but when you when you stretch it loads of times, it's getting comfier and comfier to your hands. It's a normal slime. Let's go on with the bouncy slime. With the bouncy slime. So the bouncy slime. It's a blue colour as well. It's a very shiny one. It bounces very, very high. So you take the pen again. And you got it out. So take the slime. You roll it in a ball. And then, oi! It bounces. Oi! It's a very nice colour, but bouncy slimes are very, very light to stretch, so you can easily stretch it very light. So it's very comfy. Okay, let's go on with the color changing. It's going to be very nice. That looks like the sun. But it's a lamp. Okay, so put it back in. So we need some help. We need something very something hot. We want that to change the color. Yeah, to change the color. Maybe it's in the hiding spot. I put it sometimes. I'll just come back in a minute. It's not in the hiding spot. It's right there. It could be there. It's right there. I can't find it.
No
Sorry,
problem.
Dad.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's just gone. Do you have hot hands? Yeah, I have hot hands. Oh yeah, I need a pen to help.
Hot hand.
Mum's hands are very hot.
Yeah.
Just hold it. Make yourself blue. If you can't do that, if your hands are not hot, they're cold. Yeah. So just go to the tap water and get some hot water. Put it in a bowl and then just put it in, and then it changed the color. This could change it into blue, and when you do it in the middle, it changes to pink. But that never happened to me. It says on here, but it never happened. So did you do it? No, you don't have hot hands. Let's get some hot water. Come on, how good. You stay here and just look at them. So what are you doing?
Looking for the remove control for changing.
I don't know.
Ouch.
Sorry. So we got some hot water. Please pass it. So this is what you do. Get some hot water. I don't know where it could be. It could be on that shelf.
Yep.
Okay. So you got the slime. You put it in. You'll have to. It's still making it. You have to wait a few minutes. Actually, not a few minutes. A few seconds. Water. And then it's blue. Why did you put the music on?
I have no idea.
It's blue now. Very nice. My favorite color is purple, so I don't really like this color, so we'll change it back. But you have cold hands. You have cold hands.
Mhm.
No, if you wanna turn it back, you just stretch it. Stretch, you see? Stretching. It's getting purple. Purple. See that? Turning purple straight away. Do you want to stretch it?
Yes.
Put the water somewhere here. Some wipes. Oh, this would happen. I got some wipes. Why did you put the music on? It's stressing me out. I could put it in here. Wait, is that it? No.
What?
I'm looking for the thingy.
Which thing?
It's a color changer.
Yeah, for blue.
Yeah, I want bluey. I like the color. No, I would want it purple.
Maybe it's there
Where?
somewhere. No.
Wait, I know my thing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No.
No,
Maybe
Sorry.
Maybe mommy.
maybe I lost it. No, I just lost it. I
Yeah.
lost it for now.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's do the next one.
Czemu ty lost it?
I don't know how I lost it. Don't talk Polish. They do not understand.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we're Polish. So we put it back in. So now it's like you could do a bubble and it looks see-through nearly, but you have like a poop. I don't like poop. Who likes poop? Leave a comment down below if you like poop. I don't like it. It's boo. Dad, do you like poo?
No.
Good. Eva, you're supposed to like poo because poo
Sorry.
is made out of vegetables.
Stop it.
Whoa! I'm just talking words. Ow! I hit myself. Okay, so this slime is very like you could do that. Yeah, yeah. Like let's do this. Oh, do you like my? Yeah. Oh, finally the music stopped. Oh, you found it. Good. So you see, it turned into purple. We don't have a lamp, so we just made it out of kitchen paper. Yeah, I think it's kitchen paper.
Yes.
Yeah, it's kitchen paper. So you do this, but it takes some time.
Look at now.
Oh my god, it looks so nice. It looks so nice. Do purple color again. Oh, pink. You see, it's a very nice color. If you stretch it, it does like holes, but it looks very weird. Yeah. Looks like poop. I hate poop. In Bergen, there's poo slime. I will never buy that. It looks like poop. I don't like poop. Oh, and a fabulous one. Well, we need to go to a dark place, so that means to the toilet. Wait, what was it again? Go in the dark! My favorite one. My favorite one. So we need to go to the toilet. We'll come back in a sec. Let's go.
Finito? Oh no.
No, we need to go to the toilet.
Oh.
No, first it has to go hot. So first, get this out. So do this. We need to move these stuff. And can you put the camera that way now? No, this way.
Oh, sorry.
Because the light. Put the light.
Okay.
So we do this. Can you see with the light? It's not a normal lamp, but yeah, I can show you how it looks like. It looks like a normal lamp. So we're in my room, so
Oh, you can't see nothing.
yeah, no, but we need to do
No.
this. It'll be nearly. We need to do it closer. It needs to get hot. Oh, just wait a few minutes. We'll get there. You'll get there. In that time, I don't know what to talk about. Change the colors. Talk about the light. It's not hot.
No.
It's here. Okay, let's go to the toilet. Go to like this. Get in there. So show them. It's a nice color. We're in a dark place, so we're in the toilet. Yeah, this bit didn't do it, but it's a slime and it's very glow in the dark. We should close, thingy. But yeah, do that. But we won't see nothing that time. Okay, it's very dark, but we can see everything. See, it's getting there. It's a very nice color. In that time, once, you can't see my face, I know. Once I made a worm out of this, and when my dad came in, he was like, "Ah, there's a worm," and he said it's a glow one in the dark. I'm like, it's only my slime, and he was like, "Oh," that was so funny. Okay, let's go back. You saw it, so let's go back. So we're back. It's not too dark here. So we're back. That was all of my slimes. I have some more, but those ones are like
Sorry.
Those ones are like farting ones, and I don't want to do them. They smell like fish. But there's like bin ones where you could. Then they're very gluey. They're right in that box. That one. Can you not see like this? Wait. Yeah, that one. Yeah, they're in that box. Can you even see it? Yeah, they're in that. No, wait. That box. I needed to show you. It's very tricky. So that was all of my slimes. Do a comment down below. What one was your favourite one? My favourite one. Let me think. My favourite one is the bouncy one because it's a nice colour. Oh, thanks for the blue. It looks quite nice. It's purple, but there's blue. That's purple, and that's okay. That's a good color. So comment down below what one do you like the most. The glow in the dark one was you done disco. Yeah, you done disco. But there is actually red, green, and blue. Yeah, that's it's like a different colors. Okay, so sorry. Comment down below who do you like the most. This is my favorite one. This is like my mummy. Mummy's in the big room. But okay. Happy New Year and Happy Christmas. I know it's over Christmas, but still Happy Christmas. We'll do different videos, but we still haven't done them. This is our first one. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, Susan. And see you next episode in 2019. I think it's gonna be on February. Or maybe this month, January. Thank you.
Oh, my mom's calling me. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.